And then we started to add teams that were our systems engineers that were defining the requirements for those software people. And then we started to add multiple systems teams because we were doing a product line where we were developing software to meet multiple programs' needs. So we had different systems teams representing those programs. Then we went and added hardware teams because we started to realize as we grew that as we were developing our hardware, it was really nice to align our software teams to recognize when they wanted to have builds to check out the hardware and stuff. And then we also added our security teams. So we have certification, security certification. So our security team started to get integrated. So as we built our knowledge of our Agile methodologies and planning across those teams, and not just earned value planning, but planning that happens within Agile teams of their features and their stories and things, the mechanisms that we used with everyone planning together and committing to work within timeframes, in our case, we call them increments or releases, we realized the benefit of having all of those people involved, and it actually became a teams and disciplines came to us saying, I want to be a part of that, because what they started to realize was they saw other people being aligned and being much more efficient at their work. And unless they were a part of it, they didn't, they realized that they were running behind. And it was, so I found that interesting actually to see the growth organically happen. Not that we were forcing it down anyone's throat. It just ultimately there were people saying, I want to go to your increment planning sessions. I want to be a part of that. And we grew over a couple of years. In fact, we grew so much that we split into two totally different, what we call product lines or release trains, if you're familiar with Scaled Agile framework.